Jeff Boals September 5, 1972, is the head coach of the Ohio Bobcats men's basketball team. Boals spent 7 years as an assistant coach for the Ohio State Buckeyes men's basketball team under the tutelage of Thad Matta before replacing Steve Pikiell as the head coach for the Stony Brook Seawolves for 3 years. A 1995 graduate of Ohio University with a Bachelor of Science degree in Biological Sciences, Boals was a 4-year letter winner on the Bobcats basketball team. Also a 2-year captain, he helped guide Ohio to a 1994 MAC regular season and tournament championship to send the Bobcats to the NCAA tournament, the same season the program won the preseason National Invitation Tournament. In the preseason knit, the Bobcats notched road victories over Ohio State and Virginia before edging New Mexico State and George Washington at Madison Square Garden. Boals suffered a torn ACL in his senior year of college that ended his playing career. Boals landed his first coaching job as an assistant coach at his alma mater after graduating. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.